Hello, my name's Kelly Lattori and you're watching a Screen-O-Matic screencast on a basic HTML document structure. Okay, so for this we're going to be using Notepad++. Okay, so if you go into a search engine, let's show you now, Internet Explorer, and I type in Notepad, oh look, it already comes up, Notepad++, and you can download the free version of the Notepad++ in order to work from. Now the reason we don't use Windows or anything like that is that basically Notepad++ does a lot of the work for us. It's really clever, and if we make a mistake using this, it will automatically highlight by using different colours to show you what mistake you've made. Now even if you're an absolute expert in coding, even the experts miss out a code or two. And it might be just a tiny little symbol, but without it, it won't work properly. Okay, so let's download that and it will open up like this. Okay, so let's just get rid of this one earlier. Okay, so we've got a new version here which it's open up for us. So I'm going to right click on there and just save as. Okay, now I'm going to be using an external dongle, so I go to my computer, there it is, and I'm going to save in a file called www, and I'm going to save it as Screencast 1, Screencast 1, and I'm going to save all the work I do to this www folder to be easy to detect it, and when I'm linking my style sheet later it'll all be in the same place, and it'll be a lot easier to find. So Screencast 1, now we need to write at the end .html, and this because this is the type of document that we're going to be using. So if I use this drop down button here and find a folder called Hypertext Markup Language, which is here, and if you can't remember that, just look for the HTML bit here, just click on there and it will automatically save it into the correct format. Save. Perfect, now we're ready to go. Now I have been a little bit cheeky and I've gone onto a web browser to find and copy the HTML basic code. Now I'm going to be really clever and press Ctrl and V, and there we go, it appears. Now you can type it out yourself, that's absolutely fine. I've just done this because it's a quicker way just to get started. So we've got the document type at the top, which is HTML, and we have the head title, the body, and then the closing tag. So this one opens the document, this one closes the document. So when we're creating our page, but now I'm just going to quickly show you what would happen if I change this part. So it says your page contents goes here. So let's just write welcome to my super cool web page. Please have a look around and follow my advice and create HTML with me. Perfect. Now all of this part and this part here in blue we don't actually see when we're looking on our website. Now I'll show you what I mean. If I go up here to run and we're going to launch this in, I'm going to choose IE, which is Internet Explorer, have a look to see what will appear on our web page. But before we do that, there's one thing I've forgotten to do. We must always, when we're making any changes to this document, save it. otherwise no changes will appear. So save. Now we can go to Run, launch an Internet Explorer, and there we are. Welcome to my super cool webpage. Please have a look around and follow my advice and create HTML with me. So there we are. This is what appears straight away in our webpage. So congratulations on doing a basic HTML document structure and creating your very first webpage with me.